What's going on, traders? Welcome back to day 22 of 25 days of trading. I appreciate you tuning in all the way through to day 22 already. A few more left. Bear with me now. Let's make it to the end. We got a great series going. Let's finish it strong. But I appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the future uploads every morning for these last few at 11 a.m. Every morning, all the way through Christmas morning. We'll be continuing this series. And obviously, we'll be picking it back up in the new year and going even harder. So make sure you subscribe because we've got a lot more content coming and a lot of good tips and value coming your way. In this one, I want to talk about your daily routine that you should probably have if you don't already have one, whether you're a beginner trader. And I was going to say beginner trader, but I would just say any trader. That even if you are advanced, you still could implement this into your daily routine, right? And always look to evolve it, maybe add to it. But specifically for someone that doesn't necessarily have one, this will be a great one, in my opinion, to implement into your own trading. So first things first is going to be when you get to the charts in the morning, assuming you're on Eastern time, whatever it is, you're going to be trading the New York market at 9:30. So whatever time of day it is for you, get there a little bit before the open. You don't want to be there for 3 hours and then draining yourself. You're feeling tired. You've been looking at the charts for no reason. You're not trading them yet. We're not going to trade until 9:30. Preserve that mental capital. Don't even do too much studying of the charts for too long because then you'll be drained and tired and it's not even the open yet. We haven't even made our decision making for the day. So give yourself maybe to busy work in the morning, answer some emails, do anything. Go sit outside, go stare at the sun rising, do something calming. But as we approach maybe after that 8:30 news, normally there's that 8:30 news, right, pre-market, maybe then we'll come in, see what's been happening overnight, get a pulse for the market here. Okay, so obviously yesterday we had the big move down for FOMC. So this markup's a little wild for this video, but we'll rock with it. Okay, I'm now at the desk. It's 9 at 8:30. We're up here. Okay, we moved up a little bit overnight. We're above the daily view up, but we're still below yesterday's New York. Maybe that could be a target for us. We'll see how the open comes in. I'm not really too keen on being long or short yet. I'm probably going to see how this open wants to come in, but I do recognize we had a strong bearish day yesterday. I don't know if we're just going to retrace the entire thing, so maybe I don't love longs all day, or if I do, maybe don't take them too high. We'll see how the open comes in. Okay, here we go. And then we'll let that 15-minute open range set, right? Then we'll just do our trading. We don't need to go through a routine for your trading. I assume you know how to trade. You have your plan. The next step is obviously going to be come join me on ASFX TV. That should be part of your daily routine. 9:30 open. You're going to ASFX TV. Joining us on the live stream, we got me, James, and Austin through the New York Open. You'll take trades with us. And now the second part of this daily routine is, as fun as it is to take trades with us, set strict hours with yourself. If you haven't noticed, we don't stream all day. I don't want to stream all day. I don't have to stream all day. I'm not trading all day. That set strict hours for yourselves that we're streaming at 9:30. You'll see us probably done by 11, 11:30 because hopefully we found our move. And if we haven't taken a trade yet in 2 hours, boy, oh boy, the market must be pretty choppy because I can normally find something within that first 2 hour window. But regardless, set hours for yourself because now you've been staring at the charts for 2 hours, let's say maybe 3 hours. Whether you've taken trades or not, you're getting your mental battery drained. You're feeling more fidgety. You're getting bored because you haven't taken a trade yet. So maybe you're more induced to take something you don't really need. Any minute now, you're looking for the trade rather than letting the trades come to you. So set hours on yourself to maybe just take a break. It could be 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Obviously, it could be for the rest of the afternoon. It could be for a couple hours and you come back in for a kill zone stream. You see Zach streams are at 1, so you get like a 2 hour break there. Then you come back for the afternoon plays, maybe some power hour, whatever the case may be. But definitely take a break. Obviously, we do our Black Shirt Club calls in the afternoon because hopefully I found my trades in the morning. Now let's go over some coaching in the afternoon. Maybe I'll trade a little bit later after those, but for the most part, I need a mental break of looking at the candlesticks up and down, taking trades, not taking trades, taking a winner, taking a loser, whatever it is. A lot of decision making going on, a lot of energy, a lot of mental capital. Let me maybe take a break. And the next part, come back in on the later part of the day. Once you've done your markups, once you've taken your trades, do a good report card. This has to be part of your daily routine. Whether you're a beginner trader, advanced, no matter who you are, you need to do a daily report card of your day. So this is just today's. This is not mine. I'm not going to take credit for it. I wish it was mine. It looks very, very good. But this is trades that I took today. I'm going to say I as if this is mine, right? That these are the trades I took. Here's the second trade I took. Here's some notes on the book map so I can go back and learn what was I reading on that given day that maybe helped me or hurt me. And then look at this. Markups from the day. Not trades taken, markups, 4 different assets, maybe 10, 11 markups of just ideas today. And then reviewing the day, what were the best trades, what could I have done better? This is just impeccable. Let's go to another one here to maybe even up it one more. We got the news coming in, the trades I took here. Here's a second trade I took, another trade. I mean, it's just boy, oh boy. And then markups of trades I didn't take. About 10 ideas again of trades I could have taken. This is the same day by 2 different traders in the Blackshirt Club. And then an end of day review, trade of the day. Holy shit. Even more markups on the bottom. Just beautiful, beautiful reflection that I bet this trader, if he keeps up something like this is a lot. If he keeps this up for a month, 2 months, there's no way you don't get better at trading. There's no way you don't learn more about yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, what you should be avoiding, what you're actually excelling at and you want to focus even more on. You're gonna find patterns and you're gonna find nuances about yourself. So you need to be doing a report card, whether it looks like this or a little bit less, but part of your routine has to be coming back in at the end of the day once you've done your trading, right? You don't necessarily need to do it once it's fresh, once you've taken the loss or the win. Obviously, it's good to talk about maybe the trades you took because you're now remembering it because it just happened. You're feeling those emotions right now of how did I manage it? Why did I do this? But come back later in the day and say, okay, let me review it. How did it really go? What were the opportunities later on? Did I miss something? Did I take something too early? And you're going to get better. This is a lot of markups. I was going to say part of your routine should be doing 5 of your own markups. And then in this case, in the Blackshirt Club, you have access to all of these report cards. Go study 5 markups from 2 traders. So that way you get 15 markups a day of studying yours and someone else's or 2 others. You do that every day. You're going to get 75 a week, 300 a month. By looking at 300 sets of markups, some are going to be similar, obviously duplicate trades, but you'll see different notes on them of what's standing out. What did he see that I didn't see? Okay, we both saw the same thing on this. Cool, great. I must be seeing it semi-correctly. Okay, cool. Let me lean into that. But 300 markups a month on the low side, if you're only studying 2 people's. Obviously, in the Blackshirt Club, you could study 30 people's, 40 people's, right? The more the merrier. But at least do 5 of your own, study 10 other markups from others. 300 a month, there's no way you don't get better at recognizing the patterns, understanding what the losing trades have in common, the winning trades, what you're still struggling with the most. Because when you do reflection like this, you'll say, what could I have done to make more or lose less? If you're constantly repeating the same things or your trade management is constantly the same and it's losing you money, we kind of know where to look of how to make a change and where we need to act on first before we even look at something else, right? But if you don't track this, we have no idea what's repeating itself, what's really the cause of it at the root of why you're losing money or how you could be making more. So you need to be doing report cards like this. And if you don't do them like this, at least study other people's like this. But if you're not going to do it like this, that's really just lazy and tell me you don't really want to learn it because this is completely for him. He made this report card for him. It's not for me to see. He doesn't even know this is in the video. Props to you. It's a very great markup report card. But he's doing it for himself because he's going to learn from it. And of course, I could look at it and teach him in my own ways and go based off of it. But for realistically, it's for him, which is what it should be. So if you trade in the morning, do a little pre-market prep of just simple level analysis, VWAP analysis, then obviously we let that open come in because biases can quickly shift. We're going to hold our strong opinions loosely. But then we'll trade for a couple hours. We'll take a break. We'll come back later on the day, do a report card, study other people's report cards, aka markups as well, and then we'll get a nice rest of sleep. We'll come back tomorrow and do it all again. So that should be your trading routine. Simple. It's not too much, especially if you're in the beginning of studying other people's markups. I mean, I'm telling you to study what someone else already did. I'm not telling you to do it. I am telling you to do it, but I'm not telling you to do 20 markups, 20 paragraphs of all this. Go study someone else that already did it. Almost like a little cheat of like, thanks for doing the homework for me. I'm going to study yours, right? And then even on the emotional side of thing, obviously study their markups, but even the management, how they're feeling, maybe you're going to see, oh, wait, he's actually dealing with FOMO too. I've been dealing with that a lot too, but he seems to be getting better at it. Let me read actually how he's maneuvering through that and how he's managing that because I want to get better at FOMO. So let me see how he did it, right? You can learn from other people. You should be learning from other people. I assume that's why you're here. So use other people to your advantage, not just me, do your markups. If you're in the BSC, you get access to all the members' report cards. You'll get feedback left on yours. You can study other people's markups and trades as well. But yeah, like I said, always tune into the streams so you can see the trades we take. You can even take those markups, study those. You can go back and watch the replays of the trades we took, study those. There's hours upon hours of content here. So if you're including this in your daily routine, that's another hour of content that you're just going to consume. There's no way at the end of the month you're not a little bit better, a little bit sharper, and a little bit more professional, because it's not all about markups. It is a lot of psychological too, but you'll get that side of it as well here on the streams. And if you're watching this in December, a few weeks left, a couple weeks left at this time of the video, if you use code XMIS, you can get 25% off your first month. So you'll get access to the live streams, to the recordings. I don't think I even mentioned it, but also the 2 courses, the futures one where I give you my trading plan, as well as a little bit of the routine, scaling your business, everything you see here. You could see it. But the course is here on ASFX TV, which you'll get when you become a member. And then you'll see me take these trades I just taught you right here live on stream. But there you go. There you have it. There's my daily routine pretty much. I love to study other people's markups as well as Austin's, James's, to see what trades did he take. Oh, I didn't take that. Damn. I should have been in that maybe. Let me go see that markup. What did I miss? What did I not like about it that he liked about it? Ah, I didn't even see that. Okay, cool. Maybe I'll look at that next week and maybe add that to my chart. I haven't really been using Bookmap as much as he is. Should I be using it? All right, yeah. Let me look to incorporate that. I mean, you can see it here on this report card, like we said. He's studying Bookmap. Let me see if he finds any answers in it. Spread the love to me. Maybe I want that information, and we all get better together. All right? But I appreciate you all. We got a couple more videos coming in this series. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos of this series or the next one. But other than that, trade safe, implement a nice daily routine, and I'll see you guys on the desk tomorrow morning.